Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common maintenance on your Narwal Freo Pro robot vacuum and mop. If you're interested in this product, it's linked in the video description, so be sure to shop it there. We'll start with the top of the vacuum. There's not much to do here besides wipe it down every once in a while. And then you can open up the top cover to reveal the dustbin. You may have the spare dustbin installed. If you do, there's probably a couple more steps for you, like cleaning out the filter and swapping it out as needed, but you can use compressed air to clean this out. And then for the dustbin itself, you can empty this. So we can manually release right here just by pressing and it opens up. We could wash and rinse this out, give it a full day to air dry if that's the route you're gonna go. And we have our little mesh screen here that we can also clean. But that's gonna be what you can expect with the filter there, with your extra spare dustbin. And on the inside here, you can wipe this down if you notice any buildup. And we have our vacuum channel right here from the brush roller to the dustbin that you want to make sure is free from any obstructions that you can clean out as needed. And here's a look at the disposable dust bag if that's the route you want to go. Nothing else you need to do here than basically pull this out, throw it out, and put a new one back in. Simple and straightforward. On the side of the vacuum, just make sure the sensors are clean from any debris or hair or dust. You can gently wipe those down as needed. Same thing can be said for the underside with all of our cliff sensors here. For the side brushes, make sure they're free from any hair tangles, which they should be with this really clever design. But if they're not, go ahead, cut away any hair. And when it's time to remove them and replace them, they just pop right out. Dispose of the old ones and you can put the new ones right back on. Looking at the main brush roller, same thing. If you ever notice any hair building up anywhere here, well, just go ahead and remove any hair by cutting it away. And you can always wipe down in here or on the brush roller as needed. And if you can't tell, it's very simple to replace the brush roller as well when your main one wears out. Lastly, for the mop pads, they do remove from the vacuum. You can just pull them up and out of the way. They are magnetized. And these are just held on by Velcro here. So if you ever want to swap out or add new mop pads, you can do that very easily. And if for some reason you want a deeper clean, you can just take these out, put your favorite cleaning solution on them, and then throw them in the washer. So you can give them a nice deep clean that way. And then they just snap right back on in place. So it's very easy to clean and maintain this Narwal.